Hi, I'm Jojo, and I'm here to set up your QuickBooks chart of account list. In QuickBooks, chart of account list is list of accounts that you see to categorize your income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Fortunately, you can create a new accounts for your chart of account list easily. Check this out. So let's go to QuickBooks, choose list. Display the chart of accounts windows. So choose the chart of accounts. To create, click the account button at the bottom of the window. QuickBooks will display a new account menu, or you can press Ctrl N and select an appropriate type of radio button to identify the type of account you are adding. QuickBooks supplies the following account types: income, expense, fixed asset, bank, loan, credit card, equity, or the other account types, which you can select accounts receivable, other current assets, other asset, accounts payable, other current liabilities, long-term liabilities, cost of goods sold, other income, and other expenses. Then click Continue. QuickBooks display the second Add New Account window. Enter the name in the name text box. The name that you give the account will appear on your financial statement. Example, gas. If your account adding a sub-account underneath the parent account, identify the parent account by selecting the sub-account of drop down and select from parent account to sub-account drop-down list. Utility. You can also give it a description, a note. If you're setting the account information QuickBooks request, identify the tax line on which the account information is to be reported by selecting the tax from the tax line mapping drop-down list. You might not need to assign a particular account to the tax line if that account data isn't reported on the business tax return. A blank account for the sole proprietor doesn't have any required tax line data, for example, but cash account balances are recorded on the tax return for the corporation. So, recommended is unassigned. Then, save and close. Thank you.